this amazing story. Wow, so touching.
Yeah, it was touching.
Yeah. And can we change the topic
Okay.
about sacred geometry?
Sacred geometry. Yeah.
You do sacred geometry workshop?
Yes. Well, people tell me that sacred geometry is like my second wife, you know, because I love it. But I'm not such a logical person, you know. I'm not a person who will tell you facts about numbers, and you know, I'm not like that. But
I know.
you know, right? You translate, right?
Yeah.
But you know, sacred geometry is everything. If you look at your body, molecules, and you would see that there are little geometries there. And also our emotions is geometry, our thinking is geometry. And even the medicine that we take into our body, that heals our body, has harmonious geometry, balanced geometry. And disease has disharmonious geometry. So what can be even understood from this is if you're talking negatively or chaotically, or it's like you would be giving a disease to somebody, right? But if you talk nicely or you speak from the heart, you speak balanced geometry. And also if you, we have here this one.
Yes. Wow.
Yeah.
This is mine.
This is hers, I just borrow. So if you look at the geometry, which is a balanced, you know, that like it's symmetrical, left and right, up and down, this will do something into your body, because everything we see we put inside of ourselves. And if we wear something, you know, like we wear a geometry or we draw geometry, we put this into ourselves. So in a way, drawing sacred geometry, looking at it, making it, rotating it, is like healing, because we are water, and our water also is like having some things that needs to be let go, you know, some toxins from the body. So geometry has been around the world since forever.
Oh, I have a question. You know, virus or poison, this have also geometry. What do you think about this?
Well, I believe something strongly, and also my teacher Drunvalo told me this, that if we would just study if we put geometry, sacred geometry, and medicine together, we could just study the geometry of a virus, and then we would know what would be the cure for that virus. Not vaccination. Vaccination is something else, but the cure would be to balance that geometry of a virus or bacteria into a balanced geometry. So yeah.
Wow, interesting. Yeah, so interesting. What does geometry have to do with spirituality?
With spirituality?
Yeah.
Well, everything. If you look at the flower of life, right now we don't have it, but you know how it looks like. At the beginning, we were in one consciousness, in one point. And at the beginning there was one spirit, one person in the universe, right?
Right.
And we can say God, but this God was not a man or a woman. But then this first sphere starts to separate into two. And when we have two, we have male and female, okay? And this is the divine male, divine female. And everybody of us has these two energies. We know them through Kundalini, you know, we have male, female energies.
Yes.
And if you combine these two together, you also create a portal. And the portal between two circles is also a mouth. Mouth is a portal where our soul can speak. And also where we come out of the female body is actually a portal.
Yes.
And we are sacred geometry. Our body is sacred geometry. When you meditate, for example, on flower of life, you imagine flower of life, you already connect to the matrix, to Akasha. Akasha, the library of the universe, is sacred geometry. Is better question would be how they are not connected, because they are always connected.
Always connected.
Always connected.
Oh.
Everything is.
Then
Yeah.
when we learn about sacred geometry, we can understand the universe and myself, all of the universe.
Yes, you could understand like this that everybody is one point, like in so like I'm this and you are this and you are this, but we are one universe. So through sacred geometry, you can also understand how universe is designed, and we also get numbers from geometry, and there are 3 numbers which are always repeating, and you know which one they are?
Yeah.
3.
369.
Yes, 369. Yes. Good student. Well, actually, Nikola Tesla said, if you study 3, 6, and 9, you will find out everything. Everything. Yeah. All the secrets.
Wow. Cool. Thank you. And